Sumedha. Welcome to my channel Shine with Sumedha.
In this video, we will see Class 7 Science Chapter 2 Nutrition in Animals Part 1. The contents we will see in this video are how do animals get their food, different ways of taking in food, and how does digestion take place in humans.
And in that we will see in detail about mouth and the buccal cavity.
Now let us see the first topic, that is how do animals get their food. Plants can prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis, but animals cannot. So animals get their food from plants directly by eating them or indirectly by eating the herbivore animals.
How animals get their food directly is
When an herbivore animal, that is, an animal which eats only plants and plant products. For example, a goat is an herbivore. When the goat eats some plant, it gets the energy, nutrition, and others from the plants directly. But there are some animals which eat only other animals, and they are called carnivores, such as lion. When the lion eats the goat, which is a herbivore, the lion gets the energy and the nutrition from the goat. So, here the goat ate the plants and the lion ate the goat. So, the lion got the energy and the nutrition which the goat had. So, indirectly, the lion got its nutrition from plants. There are some animals which consume both plants as well as animals, and they are called omnivores. Now the second topic, that is different ways of taking in food. The mode of taking in food varies in different organisms. Bees and hummingbirds suck their nectar of plants. In this picture, the hummingbird is sucking the nectar of a flower.
and in this picture two bees are sucking nectar from another flower.
Snakes like python swallow their prey. Some aquatic animals filter tiny food particles for floating nearby and feed upon them. How does digestion take place in humans? Before seeing how does digestion take place in humans, let us see what is digestion. The components of food such as carbohydrates are complex substances. These complex substances cannot be utilized as such. So, they are broken down into simpler substances. The breakdown of complex components of food into simpler substances is called digestion. The food passes through a continuous canal which begins at the buccal cavity and ends at the anus. So the canal can be divided into various parts, and these parts form the alimentary canal, digestive tract. This is a picture of the human alimentary canal. The buccal cavity. This is the buccal cavity. This is the food pipe or the esophagus. This J-shaped organ is the stomach. This is the small intestine. And this which surrounds the small intestine is the large intestine, and thus ending in anus.
The food components gradually get digested as food travels through the various compartments.
The inner walls of the stomach and the small intestine and the various glands associated with the canal, such as the salivary glands, the liver, and the pancreas, secrete the digestive juices. These digestive juices convert the complex substances to simpler substances. The digestive tract with the associated glands together form the digestive system. Liver is the largest gland in the human body and it is located here. This is the liver. Now we will see in detail about the mouth and the buccal cavity. Now the food is taken into the body through the mouth. The process of taking food into the body is called ingestion. We chew the food with the teeth and break it down mechanically into small pieces. Each tooth is rooted in separate socket in the gums. Our teeth vary in appearance and perform different functions.
Accordingly, they are given different names. And these are the different type of teeth in our mouth.
This is the incisor, this is the canine, this is the premolar, and this is the molar. Now, this is how it is arranged in our mouth. The first set of teeth grows during infancy and they fall off at the age between 6 to 8 years. These are known as milk teeth. The second set that replaces them are the permanent teeth. The permanent teeth may last throughout the life or fall off during old age or due to some dental disease. Our mouth has a salivary gland which secretes saliva. The saliva breaks down the starch into sugars. The tongue is a fleshy muscular organ attached at the back to the floor of the buccal cavity. It is free at the front and can be moved in all the directions. Now let us see the functions of tongue. The tongue helps us to talk. It mixes saliva with the food during chewing and helps in swallowing food. It has taste buds which helps to detect different tastes of the food. In the bottom, we can taste sweet and on the sides salty and sour. And here we can taste the bitter.
Tooth decay. Bacteria are present in our mouth, but they are not harmful to us. However, if we do not clean our teeth and mouth after eating, harmful bacteria also starts growing and living in it. These bacteria break down the sugar present from the leftover food and release acids which gradually damage our teeth, like this. This is called the tooth decay. If this is not treated on time, it causes severe toothache, and in extreme cases, it may also result in tooth loss.
Chocolates, sweets, soft drinks, and other sugar products are the things which mainly cause tooth decay. Now, how do we prevent tooth decay? One should clean the teeth with a brush and the dental floss at least twice a day. Rinse your mouth after every meal. One should not put dirty fingers or any unwashed object in the mouth. We have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching.